I recently made Pokemon style cards using my son's drawings, and this is how I did it. But first, let's look at what we made. Grossy, Heron, Sabletooth, Winged Terror. This one's actually a holographic card, nice and shiny. Kangarpop, Balloomp, and look at his weakness. It is very soft, so if you squish it, dreadfulness takes place. Scobbledom, Croak, whose weakness is people. I identify with him. Octowan, Fardon. This one's also a holographic card. So I used a canvas size of 1,632 pixels across by 2,222 pixels high. And this includes a safe zone of 72 pixels all around for bleed and cutting. The actual card size is that interior area. And added a background, kind of cloudy looking, changed the color of that depending on what type of creature we were making. Added interface elements here, basically copied from Pokemon cards. Added some icons depending on the type of critter we had. Added text for the name and the stats and the powers, weakness, things like that. The background picture was essentially a photograph of a swamp that we added a painting filter to make it look more like art. Then we scanned in his drawings of the creatures and cut each one out like that, and then changed the color using a hue saturation tool so that we could cut out various parts and change their colors. My son told me what colors he wanted. Sometimes used fancier stuff like a gradient on his ears there, and then like a shadow on his eyes to make it look more 3D. And then I would paint over the top with light and dark to create highlights and shadows, make him look more 3D. So now we have a full card, save it as a high quality PNG, and then go to makeplayingcards.com and do the standard card. The size should be 63 by 88 millimeters. It's just a poker size, I think. We used standard smooth, I'm pretty sure, for the card stock, and full color print. You can also choose holographic, which we did some of those as well. And pick the size of your deck, like how many cards you want. And I think we just used the NPC game card finish. Start your design, and then you have to choose a different design, different images for all fronts so that you can do all your different creatures. Upload your design, and then also do one same picture for the back of all cards, and you're done.